I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Honda Odyssey key battery. First, determine if your key fob is the smart key or the traditional flip key. Next, gather a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 coin battery. Having these items ready will make the process smooth and quick. Ensure your workspace is clean and well lit before you begin. This simple task can save you a trip to the dealership. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small notch or slot, usually near the key ring attachment point. Insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. Gently twist or pry the screwdriver to separate the two halves of the key fob casing. Be careful not to apply too much force, as the plastic can be delicate. The goal is to slowly unclip the casing. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, take a quick mental note of which way the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing. This ensures correct installation of the new battery. Use your screwdriver to gently pop out the old CR2032 battery. Then, carefully insert the new CR2032 battery, making sure the positive side is facing the same direction as the old one. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them firmly together until you hear them snap securely into place. Make sure there are no gaps. Once everything is secure, test your key fob's functions immediately to ensure it's working correctly. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. This quick fix will have you back on the road with a fully functional key in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.